my name is Hannah. I am originally from Los Angeles, California, and I'm studying an MBA in Global Banking and Finance.
Where are we and why did you choose this place?
So we are currently in Mont Blanc. It's one of my favorite places here in Geneva. This is where I would always go running from here towards the lake, from Bon de Paquis, and towards the United Nations. I love running towards this way because of the lake, the scenery. It just makes you feel motivated to be outdoors and active.
Where do you like to go in Geneva on your days off?
On my days off, I usually love to explore the city and just find little places that you usually would not think that's there. I normally also go museum hopping. My most favorite museum so far is MAMCO, which is a modern art contemporary museum.
Have you taken any trips outside the city? Where did you go?
I take trips outside of the city as well too. I think Switzerland is a beautiful country. There's so much to see, especially in terms of nature. So far, my most favorite place to travel to is Lake Ochinense. It's heavenly and it's so peaceful over there.
What will you miss most about Geneva when you leave?
The nature, the scenery, and most importantly, the people. Everyone has been so kind and so nice and welcoming.